students, this video is prepared for me for the students who are studying in Standard 3 in CBSE course, ICSE course, as well as in any state board courses. Okay, in mathematics subject and each and every subject, I prepare the video and just I put the on this on YouTube so that the students will come to know about the chapter and they will learn. Now, just I teach you here expanded form of a number, expanded form of numerals or numbers. You may write that numbers or numerals here. Okay, whatever it is most accurate to write this. Suppose the number is given like this. At first, I taught you in earlier class that at first we have to come to know how can we read the number, or if we have to write this number in words, how can we write it? Correct? In previous class I taught you, but just I do want to recall this one because maximum students are facing problem while doing or while solving such type of question. Correct? Now see here, just we have to count from right side. Whatever the number it is written in figure, see here, dear students, whatever the number it is written in figures. Correct? So just we will have to count the number from right side. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. In Indian system we study this. We read the number at present in Indian system. In international system, how can we read the number or write the number name? Just we will have to take 3 numbers as a pair. Okay, 1, 2, 3 from right side. 1, 2, 3 in pairs. Again 1, 2, 3 in pairs. And then we will have to read this number like this. See here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. In which system? In international system like this. That I will give you again the good concept regarding Indian system and international system in few days. Okay. Now see, at present you will have to concentrate your mind towards the expanded form. Correct? So whatever the number it is given in Indian system, just we will have to write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. That is 1 lakh. So just you will have to write this expanded form like this. See here, write 1, okay, and the remaining digits, add the remaining digits moving from left to right. Right, see here, whatever the digit it is present, just you will have to write this, and in the place of rest digits, just you will have to put 0. So how many digits are here? 2, 2, 4, 1, 5. So put 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? Now give the plus sign. Now move on next digit from left side. Here it is 2, right here 2, and the rest coming digits, just you will have to convert it into 0. How many digits are here? 4. Naturally, just we will have to put 4 zeros on 2. Correct? Now move on next digit. 3 it is written, right here 3, and the rest digits, in place of rest digit, just you will have to put zeros. Now plus 400, okay, similarly plus 60 plus 7. This is your expanded form of a given number. We may write this like this also. 1 into 10 raised to the power. How many zeros are here? 5 zeros, just you will have to put here 5 raised to the. See, dear students, how do we read this? We have to read this 10 raised to the power 5. Okay, one term you have to come to know, which you had never learned in such a way. Okay, thus you see that, or so you see that whenever you will read through this channel, you will be very, very proficient in mathematics. You can do any question. Now just whatever it is written, 2, write here 2 multiplied 10 raised to the power how much? How many zeros are here? 4. Just you will have to put here 4. So what do you observe here? 10 raised to the power, it is decreasing. Okay, so just you will have to put 3, and here it will be 10 raised to the power 3 plus 4 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 1, which we do not write. See here, dear students, don't write here 1. Okay, otherwise it will be wrong. And this 7 as 7 into 1. That means this indicates that digit 7 is at its ones place. 6 is at its tens place. 4 is at its 100 place. 3 is at its 1000 place. 2 is at its 10,000 place. And 1 is at its lakh place. Correct? So, whatever I teach you here to write the expanded form of the given number, don't assign this. Okay? Such type of demarcation you have to do in rough. But here you have to write simply this 1,23,467. Don't write this like this. Okay, this just I teach you how to count the number. That is why I have written here. But you should write like this only. Correct? Now see, another example just I put before you while writing the expanded form. See here, two types of question arises here. Either the given number is already in the short form. It is the short form of the number. It is the expanded form of the same number. Correct? If in question you will have, if in the previous question, if the number is written in its short form, then we have to expand it, or we have to write like this. Otherwise, if the number is given in expanded form, the question just put before us to write the given expanded form in its shortest form. Then we can write like this, like that only. Now see, another question just I put before you. See here, just I put 1 0. Okay, that is why this question becomes slightly difficult. But just we will have to do it in rough. We have to do in rough like this so that we can point out the position or place value of the digits. But here it is not necessary to do that. So simply just we will have to write its expanded form. Write here 1, and how many zeros it comes. Just you have to write here 1 into 10 raised to the power how much? This part I am not writing here. 10 raised to the power how much? Count the next digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 raised to the power 6. Plus, now write 4 into 10 raised to the power how much? 5. Simply you have to write 5 because it is decreasing. Again, plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 4. Plus 0 you have to leave. That is why I put here 0. Correct? Now write 8 into 10 raised to the power how much? Because 0, regarding 0, the 10 raised to the power 3 will be here. Naturally here it will be 2 plus 9 into 10 plus 7 into 1. That is the expanded form of the given number. So whatever the question, just in the future you will have to solve, you can do it very easily through this way only. Correct? Now see, at present I will give you good concept about the fraction. Fraction. Okay, a fraction is formed by numerator and denominator. See, 3 by 4 it is written, 1 by 2 it is written. Okay, slightly just I give you good concept, because whenever you will have to add the fractions, okay, in this class or in senior classes, so that you will not do any mistake while solving the questions. Now see, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 6 by 8. So these are called fractions. Why? Because fraction has two parts. This is the line segment. Whatever the digit or number it is written at the upper position of the line segment, it is called numerator. It is called numerator. Okay, and the below number or digit, whatever it is written below the line segment, okay, it is called denominator. Denominator. Correct? Now see, fraction has two parts, numerator and denominator. This fraction is of two types. Correct? This fraction is of two types. Okay? Proper fraction and improper fraction. Proper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay. Now see, what is proper fraction and what is improper fraction? We must know about this, because some chapters may be based upon it. That is why I give you clear concept regarding few terms. That is why I prepared this video, so that you will come to know about the main aspect of the mathematics. Correct? Now see, improper fraction, numerator is always less than the denominator. Correct? Improper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. This is the condition. Denominator. Correct? See, 2 by 3. Correct? From here, just we collect 3 by 4, because numerator is less than the denominator, etc. Just you will have to write here, etc. Don't tell this etc. Generally, students are telling whatever I teach, okay, at the residence of the students. Generally, just I observe here in class also that students are telling generally etc. But it is not good. It is not correct. Just you will have to tell this shortest form, etc. Etc. means in Hindi it is called adi, ityadi, adi. Okay? Now see, in case of improper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. Denominator. Correct? If we make it reciprocal, 3 by 2, 4 by 3, dot give dot dot, etc. and so on. Correct? So, at present, you learn only two terms, the expanded form of the number as well as the short form of the number. Whatever the number it is written, it is called the short form of the number. While this number in expanded form will be written like this. So two types of question arises here. Either number is already given in short form and we have to write it into expanded form. Either in question this form is given and we will have to write into this form. Then naturally we will have to solve. We should write, convert this like this term like this term like this, and then we have to add. And as I think that you already know the addition, so you can do it easily. In the next class, I will teach you more about the fraction. I will teach you that fraction is also divided into two parts, like and unlike fractions. Okay, dear students, kindly read the video. Just you will have to see the video and try to solve the question according to the given instruction given by me. Okay, thanks. Wait for the next class.